Welcome to this exciting tutorial on the latest fish farming technology. If you're looking to improve efficiency, sustainability, and profitability in your aquaculture operations, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore advanced systems like recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, automated feeding technologies, and water quality management tools. Stick around for a bonus tip on scaling your fish farm while minimizing costs. If this sounds helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow fish farmers. Let's start with recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS, a breakthrough in sustainable fish farming. What is RAS? It's a closed-loop system where water is continuously filtered and reused, minimizing water wastage. Benefits: RAS helps maintain consistent water quality, supports high stocking densities, and reduces environmental impact. Implementation: you'll need a tank system, biofilters, and oxygenation equipment to set up RAS. Pro tip: start small with a pilot system before scaling up to a full-fledged RAS operation. If you're already using RAS, share your experience in the comments below. Feeding is critical in fish farming, and automation is making it easier and more efficient. Automated feeders: these devices distribute precise amounts of feed at scheduled intervals, reducing waste and ensuring fish get adequate nutrition. Smart feeders: advanced models monitor fish behavior and adjust feeding based on appetite, optimizing growth rates. Integration: pair automated feeders with mobile apps for real-time monitoring and control. Pro tip: use high-quality feed to maximize the benefits of automated systems. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a separate video on choosing the best fish feed. Maintaining optimal water quality is crucial for fish health and growth. Here are some cutting-edge tools. IoT sensors. Internet of Things IoT. Devices monitor parameters like pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia levels in real time. Automatic water treatment systems. These systems adjust water parameters automatically, ensuring a stable environment for your fish. Data analytics platforms. Collect and analyze data from sensors to identify trends and make proactive decisions. Pro tip: set alerts for critical water quality thresholds to address issues before they become serious. If you're interested in a full guide on water quality management, hit the thumbs up button. Here are some more technologies transforming the aquaculture industry. Genetic selection. Advanced breeding programs are helping farmers produce healthier, faster-growing fish. Aquaponics systems. Combine fish farming with hydroponic crop production for a sustainable, symbiotic setup. Drone monitoring. Use drones to inspect large aquaculture facilities or offshore cages, saving time and effort. These innovations not only improve efficiency, but also promote sustainability in fish farming. If you've tried any of these, share your thoughts in the comments. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Partner with technology providers who offer training and support. This ensures you can fully leverage the tools without facing operational challenges. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the latest fish farming technology. If you found it helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other fish farmers. What's your favorite fish farming technology? Or what are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy farming!